Bye! What is
I'm
it?
holding my hand for my first time.
Oh, that's a big black ant.
I wanna try to do it by myself.
Go do it.
Mama!
Wait!
I'm doing it!
Good job, baby.
Oh, see? I told you.
Where is it? Oh, there. We're leaving.
Bye, bye.
Hey, you say bye-bye to Gaga. We won't see him for a while.
Enjoy, okay? Gaga, you have me. If you want anything from the Philippines, just tell Gaga, okay?
Mama, can you bring this?
Are you gonna miss Gaga? Huh?
Why not?
No. Bye, Gaga.
Bye, guys.
Say take care of our house.
Enjoy.
What if somebody tries to get in our house?
Nobody will. Nobody will. Don't worry. And Gaga's there.
How about the stranger when he leaves?
We'll be back by the time he leaves. Okay? Say bye, house.
My house.
Where are we going?
To Ratimuli.
Bumili pa kami ng yung extra storage na yan sa roof. Kasi ang daming bagahe nga naman ng kapatid ko. They'll be here for total of about a month sila sa Canada. Right, Luna? And Luna's so excited to see Ate Millie, her cousin.
And she my twin also.
Huh?
She's my twin also.
My twin. Yeah, she is your twin. You're both tiny. Bukas pa namin sila kikitain, susunduin sa Montreal Airport. From the Montreal Airport, diretso na kami ng Quebec to start their Ontario leg trip. Pero today, dahil ang layo ng Montreal from Windsor, parang mga, I think aabot kami ng mga 10 hours siguro. We're gonna drive halfway there at least. Basta the closer we are, the better tomorrow morning. Okay, so mag-overnight lang kami somewhere. Bahala na kung saan kami aabutan, no? Here's our driver!
Go. 9 o'clock. You're gonna be fine. Bye-bye. Go.
Papahangin muna ng gulo. $2, $2.50. This is going to Kingston, Ontario. Let's see if baka doon kami mag-overnight. If not, lalampasan pa natin kung may oras pa hanggang Brockville. Grabe guys, ngayon ko lang napansin, no? Nakikita nyo parang may patsi-patsi na brown. Oh my. Meron din ako dito. Guess nyo kung ano yan. Pagising ko kaninang umaga, una kong ginawa kasi nagkulay ako ng buhok. Ano ba yan? Yung mga nabibili lang sa stores, yung box hair dye. Hindi ko na pa.
Dapat kasi nagpa-parlor ka eh. Sagot ko naman eh.
Right. Ngayon, ayan. Tinatry ko kuskusin, no? Ayaw matanggal. Siguro hanggang mga 2 ligo to. Oh my gosh. What a mess. Maulan ngayon. Mga 2 hours na kami nag-drive. Pero mga nakailang tigil din kami. Nasaan na pa tayo banda, babe? Approaching London, Ontario. Almost 4 hours on the road now. At nasa, eto na, alam mo nang nasa bandang Toronto ka na kapag traffic na eh, no? Sabi dito, more than 3 hours left. Papuntang Kingston. Ang tagal, no? Nakakainip na sa biyahe. Pero, nakatulog ako ng mga half hour eh. Magsa-stop over kami somewhere pag malapit na mag 7 PM. Kasi nag-set ako ng isang interview. I'll just do it from the car. Tapos siguro kakain after that ng mabilis. Hopefully, by the time we reach Kingston, if doon ba tayo mag-stop over talaga? Or o sige, basta pagdating ng 9:30 PM kung nasa naman kami, meron na naman akong isa pang interview. Alam niyo naman guys, dahil nga mawawala ako ng ilang araw sa bahay, kailangan magbangko ng mga episodes para at least buhay pa rin yung channel natin. Break muna tayo. Kakain, wee break. Dito sa, syempre, Sampa. Dito tayo sa may Bathurst Wilson intersection sa Toronto, the known Filipino area. Diba? Little Manila. Ayun yung mga kainan. Sige, pipili pa kami, guys. We're just stopping over because we're gonna eat.
Where are you?
Nasa Little Manila kami sa Toronto. Kakain lang kami. I'll call you back. Pipili lang kami ng kakainan. Bye!
Bye, Lola! Bye!
Look, Luna. Luna, you gotta go down first.
Hindi yan, miss. Yung malaki yun.
Nag-umpisa na kami. Dinuguan, sisig, pakbet, si Luna, oh. Gustong gusto yung ano, tenga, barbecue tenga. Very good. Dito kami sa Kabalen. Yan. Oh, we're back on the road. Hindi na ako masyado naka-shoot nung kumakain kami, no? Pero, doon kami sa Kabalen nag-end up dahil doon naman kami talaga madalas bumibili kahit for take out nung taga doon pa kami sa GTA. O, ngayon. Okay ka ba? We decided na diretso na kami hanggang Quebec. Sa Gatineau. Doon na lang kami magsa-stop over. Nakapagpa-reserve na ako ng isang
Quebec na ba yun?
Quebec na yun. Nakapagpa-reserve na ako ng hotel. So, darating kami doon midnight. Matutulog na lang muna tong bulinggit na to sa likod. Pero at least okay na kami. Okay? Parang ang hotel lang, 3-star hotel. Para lang may matulugan kami for the night. And then, bago kasi namin sunduin yung brother ko sa airport sa Montreal, may lunch muna kami. Coincidence dahil yung kaibigan ni JJ who we visited when we were in Vancouver sometime last year, nandun din daw sila sa Montreal. So that's our plan. Diba? Sakto.
Simula Windsor, pati dulo ng Canada going east. Isang kalsada lang. Ito lang.
This highway. Tama nga naman. Isang buong diretso lang to. Ng Ontario, you mean?
East to west.
East to west ng Ontario, itong highway lang na to. Nandito na kami ngayon sa bandang Oshawa. Taga dito dati si JJ nakatira ng mga panahon na binibisita ko pa lang siya. Dito kami sa Oshawa. Oh my gosh. Tapos, nakapag-interview na rin ako dun sa parking area sa kainan kanina. Tapos yung isa ko pa dapat na interview, nag-cancel din naman. So, we're just gonna reschedule. It's okay. Okay na rin para tuloy-tuloy na yung biyahe namin. Time check! Anong oras na? 11:59. We are 7 minutes away from our hotel. Nandito na kami, finally. We've been driving for... Well, he's been driving for... half a day. Para mga 11:30 talaga tayo umalis eh. Pagod ka na? Kayang-kaya. He likes long drives. So, buti na lang. Eto, gising pa. Luna, say hi!
Guys, we're at the hotel. And here's the hotel behind me. And this door.
Siyempre guys, hindi na may gumastos ng hotel, 'di ba? Dahil tutulugan lang namin. Alis din kami mga 10 kasi nga may lunch pa kami tomorrow sa Montreal. I'm so proud of you. You did so well. We drove for 11 hours or 12 and you did so well. You were well behaved, baby. Thank you.
You like Guys, this is our hotel.
The room. Okay then. It's good. Now, please be careful. For those wondering, we got this room for, I think, 150. Oh, sige, matutulog na muna kami, guys, ha? Say good night.
Good night.
We're gonna get ready to sleep.
Hi vlog. We're in Vancouver,
We're not in Vancouver. We're in Quebec.
Quebec.
Okay. This is where Tito Rice lives. Yeah. Hi, Tito Rice. It's morning. Okay. Okay na kami. Paliguan ko na to. Luna, tinan mo na paliguan ko na. Pero yan, natatago sa ilalim. Luna, it might be dirty there. Today's the day we pick my brother and his family up from the airport. Gusto niyo ba makita pa yung hotel room namin, by the way? Okay, magulo na. Siyempre, natulog na kami. We're all ready. Ako, si JJ na lang naliligo. Napuntahan ko rin yung breakfast kanina. I peeped. Okay naman siya, no? It's decent. It's very clean. They have the basic breakfast setup na breakfast sausage, croissants, bagels, eggs, cereals, everything. Luna, are you excited to see Ate Millie? Look at our view. It's a small hotel lang. Parang boutique hotel. Right? Montreal! Bonjour! Eto, dito tayo nagpunta, babe.
Diyan tayo pa picture.
Oo, dito tayo nagpa-picture dati.
Painting, at saka
Nagpa, artist sketch. Ayan na. Hi! Luna, oh, you say hi. Okay, we finished eating in, ano pangalan dito? Modavi. Let's go.
Ate suso. Diba?
In Rue St. Paul. Babalik na lang kami dito. Babalik na lang kami dito in 3 days. Tapos na kami mag-lunch. Yeah. Tapos we might meet up with them too. Siyempre kasama na yung kuya ko. Yeah. This is it, Luna. We're finally going to the airport. You excited? Hindi ko na na-vlog, syempre, no? Yung kumakain kami dahil private yan. Private yung mga friends namin. Pero they're here for a few days. Baka mag-apot pa kami pag bumalik kami dito sa 9. Dito kasi kami 9 to 12 with my brother. Papunta na kami ngayon ng airport, Montreal Trudeau Airport.
Pansin ko dito, long stairs lahat.
Oo nga, no? Hindi ko napansin.
Oo, kabilaan.
Oo nga, no? Long stairs. So, interesting. Hi! Look! Here they are! Say hi to me! You hug them! Oh, you're... Hi! Hello! Who's here? Hi vlog. This is... Who's this, Luna?
Hi, twin.
Yeah! Ate Millie! Say hi, everybody! Look!
Ate Millie, say hi.
Ate Millie, say hi!
Hello.
We're traveling to Quebec.
Drinking apple dun.
Kumain na kami sa McDonald's lang. 3 hours drive this time. Yan. Luna, who do you like more, Tito Chippy or Gaga?
Better answer correctly. If you
Who?
want, I won't buy you shopping.
Who?
True,